Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, respected principal, fellow teachers, and my dear friends, I feel honored to stand before you today as we celebrate our nation's 78th Independence Day. The 15th of August 1947 is in the history of India is a day we all finally broke free from shackles of British. After decades of struggles and innumerable sacrifices, we won their freedom and decades their destiny as citizens. This freedom, however, did not come easy. It was won by the blood, sweat, and tears of their freedom fighters, from Mahatma Gandhi, who led the disobedience movement, to Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad, and many other countless who chose the path of armed struggle. And women like Sarojini Naidu and Kamala Nehru also played a vital role in the freedom of movement. As teachers, we must ensure that the story of how India independence and come to the younger generation. We must teach our students their heroic life of freedom fighters, so they draw their inspiration from them. But the work of nation building is far from completely. Illiteracy, poverty, corruption is still affect their millions of our Indian people. So on this historic day, let us rededicate our himself by guiding our students who responsible and enlightened. Then we will make our country proud. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.